It's time to hear from a leader who inspires by example, a passionate guide, a man of humility, and a visionary mind attuned to the ever evolving world.
We now take this honorable moment to invite our CEO, Mr. Wishwas Modegunta, to extend his heartfelt congratulations to the newly elected Student Council and to share his guiding thoughts and ideas with the leaders of tomorrow.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I apologize for the heat. We were hoping it would be a lot cooler than this, but we really are thankful for every one of you that's bearing with us and the event. I'm sure most of you are happy to see your kids out here today, standing on stage, getting their badges and sashes. I think it's important to take a moment for all of you students that are here today to be grateful for all of your parents for having shown up, taking time out of their respectful days that are probably busy, and coming out here and making sure that you're known and you're always stood by. And I think it's important to always be there for your parents as well, just as they are there for you today. Respected teachers, proud parents, and most importantly, our young leaders of tomorrow. It is a moment of pride and joy as we gather here today to witness the formal investiture of our student leaders, a ceremony that symbolizes trust, responsibility, and aspiration. I think I want to bring out an example of leadership that I witnessed today, and that would be Padma ma'am and Percy ma'am, who stood out here in the sun all day long, even though it was 12 p.m. in the afternoon with blistering heat, and making sure that even the tiniest of details like the carpets are all done and make sure and put together for every one of you today. Leadership is not about wearing a badge, it's not about wearing a sash. It's about service before self, it's about showing up even when things are hard, and lifting others as you rise through your ranks. The leader sets the tone for the team, not by command, but by example, like I was just mentioning. And it's good to know that all of you students have such great examples to look around and look forward to every day when you get home, whether it's with your parents or when you come back to school when it's your teachers. And in a world that often moves fast and loud, true leadership means listening, staying grounded, and being kind. I want to congratulate every one of you that are invested today. You've been chosen because we believe in you and your potential, your integrity and your resilience, and your ability to inspire others. This is your time to lead with courage, character, and with compassion. Now remember, wearing the badge is not the end, but it's the beginning. You now carry the hopes of your classmates and the legacy of your school and your parents and your teachers. Lead not from the front, but from within. Make choices that reflect your values, your words, your actions. And now even your silences have weight to it. To all of our student leaders, take this as a chance to grow, to give, and to guide. You don't need a badge to be a leader. Leadership is in how you treat others, how you carry yourself, and how you respond to challenges, and how you uphold the values of our school. So whether you're wearing a sash or not, you have the power to lead, through your actions, through your attitudes, and through your choices. Let's all hold each other to the same standard, support one another, and together create a culture where leadership is not about position, but about character. Let's end this ceremony with pride, purpose, and promise of a community where everyone matters, every voice matters, and every student shines. Thank you.